Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chasing Adventures. Today we are going to be installing these mud flaps. These are a little bit different from the other mud guards. That's a little bit shorter and not as flexible as this. And this is the Wilderness edition, so it's got a pretty cool graphic on here. And the part number for this is J101SAN400. These were about $100 when I ordered them. And this should be a fairly quick, easy install, so let's get right in. Well, so it doesn't come with any instructions, but it does have these brackets that you need to mount, and it looks like it says LH, so left hinge, that's what I'm guessing, and it looks like it'll fit right on here like that. And it looks like you pull this push pin out, or push tab, and then this mounts right here like so. And then you take this out, and this flap should go on here like that. Okay, so it took me a while to figure out. So on the top is a push tab with the flathead. This bottom one is a smaller one with the Phillips, and the one all the way back there is a stubbier push pin. There are two that looks like this, and this one, the longer one, goes underneath here. All right, so you could use the one factory push pin that you took out here, but there's an extra hole, and this will fit right in there. And then I believe all of these larger ones with this texture is for the fronts, like that. Okay, so the rears are set. They're pretty flappy. Here's a view from the side. Has pretty good coverage. So when I put my 245s with the 20mm offset, I know it's gonna stick out quite a bit, and I think that should be enough to cover. Alright, so let's get to the front. Yeah, so the fronts are, remove this, and one back here. And it looks like the front ones already have these kind of similar texture, so that's why these should go right in there. And since they're screw-ins, they're not push-ins. Yeah, they're screw-ins, so it's probably a good idea to rotate the tires inwards so we could screw these on. And there you have it. Floppy floppy. Again, it's got a pretty decent coverage. So hopefully this will stop from all the mud cladding up onto the chassis or the door. Okay, and all we have to do is just repeat on the other side and we're done. All right, so it's all done. Again, it's got a pretty decent coverage. And if you get stuck in the mud, or if you're stuck going over a mud, or if you're going over a rock, this will flap pretty much all the way. And I don't think it's gonna rip off. Yeah. Pretty pleased. Little shot at the front. Alright guys, well that was quick and easy installation video of the mud flaps. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Thanks.